welcome back to YDC TV. I'm Dee, and today we are doing Happy Mail. Forgive me, today I had my migraine treatment, so I'm a little disheveled. Let me get into this package real quick. I did not open it, peek at it, or any of it. And I actually didn't even print up my invoice to see what we've got in here. I was so excited to get into it. I will type up all the information and put on the top. So we are kind of going at this a little bit differently than I normally do. Ooh. Okay, let me get it out of this icky bag, because this definitely looks like it traveled from Turkey. Let me tell y'all. Normally the bags are a little bit cleaner. This is a smaller package than I normally order, but let me wipe my hands off. I actually prepared that because I knew the bag was dirty. But I didn't print up my invoice. And all that good stuff. Me unprepared. That's unusual. Okay, this one here is Cake's Baby Lollipop Light Blue. Excuse all the crinkling as I try and open it up. I love the fact that they come in individual bags to keep all the dust off of it. I'll take out two. One for you to look at. There we go. And one for me to read. Oop. Get it back in. This is of course I can't see, a 4-weight. Recommends a 6 to 8. Crochet hook, 100 grams, 190 meters, 80% acrylic, 20% polyamide. And it has blues, tans, whites, it's a darker blue and a lighter blue. So it is gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. And then there was 3 of those. So, and this one is also Cake's Baby Lollipop. These are all Cake's Baby Lollipop, by the way, just so you know. One for you, one for me. And these are really soft, or not really soft, but they are soft. Not super, super soft, but soft. Get in, let's turn, there we go. Turn that there. This is got pink and tan, and this is also 100% 80% acrylic, 20% polyamide, 100 grams. That's where I got the 100 from. Sorry guys, it's been one of those days. 90, 100. Wow, I warned you. I warned y'all. 190 millimeters. It's a 4-weight. Let's see if I can just get one strand. There you go. It's a nice good thread. Really beautiful colors. And the pink is it goes from a dark pink, and there's a light pink in there, and there's a cream. Really, really pretty. But it's not a... Sorry, I've got skeins of yarn falling off the table, wanting to roll around and run around my office. I got 6 skeins of this. Yeah, it's soft. It's definitely, it is soft. Nice on the skin. I got 6 of these. Sorry, stop playing with yarn now. No, I won't. I have more to show you. Well, let's close nice before I stab myself. That would not be cool. No. No more doctors today. I don't like doctors today. This one's open, so we'll just go whoop. Not too much crinkling. This one's really pretty. This one has grays, cream, and tan, but the tan fades a little in and out. So one for you. Oh, there we go. There we go. There we go. Now you can see it. Same. 80% acrylic, 20% polyamide, 100 gram balls, 190 meters, 4 weight, 6 to 8 crochet hook, and they're just pretty. That light might be a little bit almost too much of a, well, let's get it back a little bit. There you go. Now you can see the colors. I think that's so pretty. So I got 6 of those. So I got more of the lighter colors and only 3 of the blue. I want to say my shipping was under $20 for this. So sorry, counting 3, 1, 2, 3, 5. Under 5 pack was under $20. And I'm going to just give you a quick update. If you watched my other videos on just updates, I didn't like how my gauge was going with the blue, the heavier blue ice yarn that I was working with for the star blanket from sorry, my mind doesn't always work. Paint box, yes. So I redid it with the Hobby Lobby cotton. I love this cotton. 220 spunky. That's it. And my gauge was on when I adjusted my hook to it, and it actually looks like a star. Yay! And I'm not even finished with one skein yet. I have quite a bit left. This is what I have left after frogging a few times and working on my gauge with different hook sizes. And I'm so happy with it, so happy. Sorry, I know that's not yarn Happy Mail related, but to me it's I'm thrilled, and it's a lot lighter weight for the baby it's going to go to. Like I mentioned in my other video, that the baby sleeps really hot, so that it was very, very important that the blanket be light, and this is really light. So, but kind of in a nutshell, that's what's going on in my neck of the woods. So I just thought I'd share this yarn with you, and that's kind of what's going on. That was my Happy Meal for today. Yarn related. Well, no, that was it. That was actually all my Happy Meal. But I was really excited to get this because I wanted to see. I love the colors on it, and the texture is really nice. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any comments or questions, let me know. And all my info to follow me is below. So if you like this video, hit the thumbs up, please. And subscribe. Hit the bell and you'll get reminders whenever I put out a new video. Thanks for joining me.